How to make a new page on Fandom Wiki. Log into your fandom account. Ensure you're logged in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Navigate to the desired wiki. Go to the specific fandom wiki where you want to add a new page, and then click Add New Page. Typically found in the header shortcuts at the top right of the page. If the wiki uses a different layout, you might need to hover over the three vertical dots or find the option in the drop-down menu. Name your page. A dialog box will appear prompting you to enter the name of your page. This name will become part of the page's URL. Fandom may suggest existing pages with similar names to avoid duplication. Edit and save. Once you named your page, you'll be taken to the editor. Add your content using the visual editor or source editor. When finished, click publish to make your page live. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.